Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Dad. Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yun na, Dad. Birthday mo na naman. Another 1 year. At 8 more pansit. Kasi nga, pansit daw is pampaba ng buhay. So, I wish and I hope na sana makahanap ka po ng taong magmamahal sa'yo, makasama mo for the rest of your life. Eh din to mo, sinabi mo na okay ka na, enough na sa'yo ganyan, masaya ka na sa buhay mo ngayon, kahit mag-isa ka. Pero as a friend, I'm still hoping na makahanap ka na, kaagapay mo, masaya kaya, no? Ang sarap sa pakiramdam mo, uuwian ka na nagmamahal sa'yo, na nagaya ka sa'yo. Yun ang gusto kong marating mo kasi hindi ka pagkakain pagkaka. You know, okay. So, yun nga lang, salamat sa lahat-lahat sa pagkakaibigan natin. Sana more strong pa sa pagsasama natin itong hindi tayo makalimot kahit nga lang daw ay sa online lang, social media. So, just yung nararamdaman ko is real, yung pakikipagkaibigan ko sa iyo po. Basta dito lang ako pag kailangan yung you can cry on my shoulder. Okay? At alam mo ba, si Cupcake, kawain mo yun. 3 minutes yung video ko sa'yo, pero pinaulit niya kasi na mahaba. Kaya nga, pwede ka na magawa ulit. Nandito ako sa SDR, nagtatago kasi ngayon may tao doon natutulog. Nandito ko ng Josie. Pero okay lang yun doon. Basta mag-get lang kita ng happy birthday. I love you, Tart. Mahal ko kita. Basta hawak mo ang gift, ha?
Angels up in the clouds are jealous, no one without. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Try to be what you done, we're loving from in the dark. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, no one without.
Yo, happy birthday, Miss Heartbeat. Wish all the best and mabuhay ka gusto mo. Peace out.
I'm reaching for you, terrified. 'Cause you could be the one that I could be the one that you dream. Message in my lips, I can't do this. Standing here hoping to get you. You could be the one that I keep, and I be the reason you can't sleep. And message in my lips, I can't do this. Standing here hoping to get to you.
Happy birthday, baby loves! Ayan, dahil birthday mo sa'yo gabi. Joke. Ilang taon ka na? Last mo na yan, ha? So, yun nga. Ang hiling ko ay ang iyong kaligayahan. So, alam ko masaya ka na ngayon kasi nga naka-move on ka na. So, kailangan na naman nating makahanap ng bago. Since maghahanap tayo ng bago, nandito ako para tulungan ka. And yung paalala ko sa'yo, Pepe Loves, walang problema kahit ibang lahi. Basta, alam mo na yun. Huwag yung hindi ko masabi. Huwag yung support. So, ayan, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Maraming birthday ang dumating. Mag-enjoy ka palagi. At, masaya ako na isa ka sa mga naging kaibigan ko dito sa inyo. Napakabait mo to. Yung tipong, hindi man tayo palaging magkasama, pero every time na nakikita tayo sa VR, alam mo yun, yung walang kayabangan sa katawan, ganun. Napakabait, napaka-genuine friend mo, and yun, huwag kang magbabago. I love you, Bebe Love. Happy birthday ulit.
Maligayang kaarawan, maligayang kaarawan, maligayang kaarawan.
Hello my loves! Happy birthday! I hope na masaya ka ngayon. Hindi naman kailangan I hope. I know masaya ka na, nakagawa mo na lahat ng gusto mo. You can dance na whenever you want. Saan ka na nakakapunta, yung mga friends mo, bumalik ka na sa dating heroes. And I'm happy for you. Nakapasa ka na. Pumasa ka na sa schooling mo. Sana more birthday to come. And always I'm be here for you. Even we for each other. I always be here for you, being good friends. Love you, my loves.
Assalamualaikum, how are you? I'm happy to wish for this wonderful day. That's your birthday. Alhamdulillah, you're still alive. I'm wondering. Happy birthday, Rose. Rose? No, Rose, you're my darling. You're my, what is that, cheeseburger? So my darling cheeseburger, happy birthday to you. I wish you success in your life, in your career, and whatever you wish for it, Allah give you success and make it easy for you. And you'll be happy your whole life without any tension, any problems. If there is anything in your future, I dua for that will be not come in your life. Always, every second of your life will be with happiness. My darling, my cheeseburger, wish you a very wonderful happy birthday. And I am happy that we have a great bond as a good friends. And I really like when like so many years we are in emo and we share good moments like laughing, doing crazy things, enjoying emo games. Your favorite Ludo, I hate that really. You always been dying for Ludo. I don't like it. Hello, okay. So that's it. Be happy, be smiling, avoid negativity in your life, whatever, avoid your past. Khalli wale, move on and have a good life. Stay kirak.
Happy birthday to you.
If all of this ain't happening, I close my eyes, it's you there. I'm with you. I close my eyes. If all of this ain't happening, I close my eyes.
Greetings! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then
It's your special day. Time to celebrate. Best birthday to you. You're the star today. Happy best birthday, dear Abby. Blessed birthday to you. May your dreams come true, Abby. Your dreams come true. May your dreams come true, Abby. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Miss Heartbeat, sabi pala ni Doreen birthday mo daw, tapos grade daw kita. So ayun, pasensya na kung itong video na to, magiging walang selfie sa huli, pero itatry ko, I will try my best na gumawa nito. Kahit hindi ako sanay kasi wala talagang birthday celebration sa amin, so walang mga greetings. Pero dahil sa'yo, i-greet kita, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So ayun, happy birthday, sana marami kang blessings today, sana i-enjoy mo yung birthday mo, sana marami kang makainom ng soft drinks, sana marami kang handa, sana meron kang marami cake. Happy birthday, happy birthday, at sana, huwag mo pagiging. Sana, ilang taon ka na ba? Pwede ko mo na lang sabihin. Sana, today marami kang blessings, tomorrow and next month, next year. And sa mga paparating ka ng mga years, sana marami kang blessings. Sana i-guide ka ni God sa lahat ng mga decision mo sa buhay. Sana i-guide ka ni God, gabayan ka niya, lalo na sa gabayan ka patungo sa tamang lalaki. At sana magtagal tayo sa imo para magkita-kita pa tayo, makamarites pa tayo. At syempre magtagal tayo kasi marami pang lalaki darating. Lalagigin natin sila. So ayun, happy birthday. May nabili ka ng cake. Kung may nabili kang cake, ipakita mo sa amin. Hindi ka bibili, hindi mo siya kita. Ipakita mo sa amin. So ayun, happy birthday Miss Heartbeat. At sana happy ka, sana healthy ka, sana masaya ka sa buhay mo. Sana may jowa ka ba? O sana may jowa ka kung meron man sana. Huwag na ituloy. Okay na yun. Basta yun, happy birthday.